Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to use Victoria. In the previous video, I have shown how to download Victoria and I have explained how Victoria, what are the features of the Victoria. Victoria is a tool where we can see the health status on our repair the external or internal hard drives. Either it can be SSD or HDD. And you can see here a list of drives. This is my internal hard drive. And this is my external pen drive. We can see the firmware version, serial, capacity, erase time, ATA. These are the details about the driver. And let's get into the smart status. Let's go to smart. And to be sure, I'm getting get smart again. Okay. Raw read rate. This is the frequency of releases. These are the raw values. 1989. Wow, this is very large number. This is not that this hard drive has been sent to me for data recovery, which I have been not putting up and completely out of state, means it is not at all usable. I have recovered the data for the customer and I have repaired the hard drive. We are still working on this. I have this many errors and reallocated sector count. Raw data can be reallocated with system reserved data and reallocated sector count is 3136. Okay, 187 uncorrectable ECC errors. This must be 0. This must be 0. Then we can state that a hard drive is working properly. Means we had came in contact with errors, but it has rectified itself. And 196 reallocated event count 3136. And this should be minimum. As you can see here, the health status and correctable ECC errors. This must be 0. Load and unload cycle count. This must be around 40,000 or 50,000. Means it shows that hard disk has received its end of its cycle. And free fall counter 0. It has faced with DME CRC error, but it has rectified it. And I will show how to repair this hard drive. Go to test and repair. This is our test and repair. Here we can see ignore. In this ignore, artist sends signal to the sector, and the sector responds to the signal. In this ignore mode, it doesn't repair anything. It just sends the data and collects the data from the sector. It will show the response time in this. These are milliseconds. And last two error, this blue thing and red thing are raw partitions. Means that is the raw values. If we see the data in orange color bar, means that this needs to be corrected. If it is in green color, it doesn't need to be corrected. It is working fine. The white and this thing, these two should be more because this reduces disk response time. Let's start a quick scan. It is a 1 TB drive. Let's see it in grid. Estimated time 5 minutes. It's gonna take longer than 5 minutes, or it may finish in 5 minutes because this is an error drive. See, this is my read rate. Yes, fluctuating. These are milliseconds response time. And let's talk about other modes. Remap. If you are using remap, the program replaces the bad sectors with the good sectors that are stored under the system partition, means system reserved partition. In a 1 TB drive, we never get that 1 TB usable space. We used to get like 930 or 937 GB like that. The remaining space is reserved partition. In these cases, we can use that reserve partition. Means it replaces the bad sectors with the good sectors, and it locks out the bad sectors from the usable drive. And when we this refresh, this refresh is used for recovering the bad sectors. It doesn't replace with the good sectors. It tries to repair the bad sectors at software level. And when we look into arrays, yeah, this arrays mode is advanced mode. It is not recommended for OS booted drives. Means if you use this, the program writes data into the sectors. Means it may be decimal value 0 or 1. It writes it and it tries to recover the damaged sector. And it is not suitable for drives which are having data in it. I recommend it to be, you should try it on empty hard disk. These are the 4 modes available from Victoria. Till now, we haven't encountered any errors. There are no raw partitions. But if we encounter any errors in a quick scan, it's that select a remap, and we can start from here. And one more thing, this is a quick scan, and it doesn't scan every sector. It is take a normal scan. It should take around, for suppose this is in 1 TB hard disk. It will take around 3 to 4 hours, or maybe more, due to this disk is in corporate state. If a healthy disk should take around 3 to 4 hours. Stop it. If you want to replace the bad sectors, good sector, select the remap and select scan. It will automatically replaces the bad sectors with the good sectors. And as I said, Victoria is a professional tool. You can even edit our this. You can see the smart logs here. smart data. I think you got how to got it, how to repair the hard disk which are dying. If you are facing boot loop errors, or if your device is not booting at all, or if your PC working properly but suddenly a blue screen dead, then your hard disk is facing a lot of issues. The hard disk can have a lot of issues. It can be software or a hardware errors. Hardware errors can be if your PC power supply is not providing enough power for hardware, the hard disk may encounter a lot of problems. Or if your laptop battery, for suppose laptop battery, internal hardware, for suppose laptop battery is not working properly, then you should replace as soon as possible, because the power fluctuations for the hard drive, it can be very drastic. Sudden shutdown means a forced shutdown by holding the power button or like that, or dropping the hard drive. These hard drives are mechanical hard drives. These hard drives will rotate, they spin. If As we can see, free fall counters. These are factory tested, but factory tests are made to be safe, and certifications are provided for factory test. I mean, so drop test has been done, but drop test doesn't factory conditions doesn't mean it will work after dropping also. There may be a lot of issues, and this is Victoria. I hope you got how to use Victoria. If there are any issues, please reply, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. In next video, I will show how to use HD Sentinel Pro. Thank you.